dryness in Miko's room is really bad. I think around 30 or something like that. The room humidity is like 30-something%. My mom told me that's way too dry. It's definitely too dry. My mom said it should be like 60-something% or 70. I'm using skincare products though. I want to hang a wet towel or something. Maybe I should hang a wet towel. It's too dry. I guess that's true. It's really dry? Why is Miko's room so dry? It's weird. I have 2 humidifiers though. Is it the air conditioner? Maybe it's the heater. Maybe there's no water. There might be no water. Water? What do you mean water? Even if you press the skincare button on the humidifier? Isn't it okay? Wait a moment. Everyone's making fun of Miko too much. There is no water tank though. Is it this? Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. It smells new. Even a lurker like me couldn't help but comment. Even the lurker Aniki came out to comment. I see even Sharp doesn't need water. Is it still not possible yet? The era has not advanced yet, nya?